Friends, welcome to my new channel, thecurioshop.in. On this channel, we will talk about stamps, banknotes, first day covers, coins, curios like the Sinclair ZS Spectrum, which came before the Macintosh, uh, and on all kinds of curios. I am a collector, my father was a collector, my grandfather was a collector, so we picked up a lot of knowledge across the way. There are four reasons I've made this channel. The first reason is fakes. With laser printers, with perforators, it's so easy to make fakes. I've got fooled a couple of times. I would like my viewers to have a genuine idea of whether they've got a genuine product or a fake. No sugarcoating. The second reason is misclassification. Let me give you an example for a couple of seconds, slightly technical. Recently, I bought a bunch of coins from Kashmir. Now, in Kashmir, there was something called the Lohara dynasty, which was ruled by a queen called Dida Rani. Now, Dida Rani is supposed to have been a very vicious queen. She killed her son, she killed her grandson to continue ruling, etc., etc. Anyway, the point is, when I got the coins in my hand, I found that they didn't belong to Dida Rani period, but they belonged to a later period called the Ananta Deva, some of them, and some of Kalasa period, which was after Ananta Deva. So, this could have been a genuine mistake because the iconography of the Lohara period is very similar to each other. Or it could have been a purposely thing done in order to jack up the price. I'd like my viewers to know the actual price of what they have. Number three is the kind of sensationalism I see on the net. I see all these things which says that 50 paisa in your pocket is worth 500 rupees. Or do you know the value of so and so note? Now, what will happen? You'll have a beautiful cover and you'll go into the video and they'll talk about everything under the sun. And the last 1 minute or so, or a few seconds, they will talk about the actual product that they have on the cover. Most of the time, it's just hot air. The internet rewards you for getting subscribers. The internet rewards you for getting stickiness. So, this is a kind of a pump and dump kind of scenario. The fourth reason is as a collector, I was slightly hurt recently. There was this channel that I loved where the guy there seemed to have a lot of genuine knowledge. He had a lot of integrity towards his viewers. From time to time, he helped his viewers by buying things off them, etc., etc. Now, recently, he gave a price band of a certain signature slash year of a banknote at the rate of about 50 rupees, approximately. Now, I know that those notes are genuinely worth 50 rupees except for one inset. Now, what insets are, we will talk about on another video. That inset, each note is worth approximately 1000 rupees. My cousin has 100 of these proper bundle from a bank given to him by his mother almost a generation ago during a Diwali period, which normally Indians give their children brand new notes kind of stuff. I've asked him to seal it in a vacuum bag so that no air touches it and it does not oxidize. Anyway, the point is, if he had gone to this guy would have told him, okay, look, you've got 100 notes, 100 into 60 is equal to 6,000, but because they're in such beautiful condition, I'll give you 10,000. The guy says, okay, 100 rupees into 1 is equal to 100 rupees. I'm getting 10,000, which is 10 times the value. Oh, lovely. I made money. But the point is, this guy would have made a killing. Now, I'm not going to try buying anything off you. What I will give you is the genuine thing because I believe that by the time I die, I should pass my knowledge on to you. So, I would like genuine interested people to click on the subscribe button below, to click on the bell icon so that they get to see the new videos as they come up. I will answer whatever questions you send me. You may see videos of other people asking questions, which will help you understand what you have. You can see uh, my tips on the on my own collection. I keep curating it. Um, a lot of stuff, and my WhatsApp number is on screen. You can send me WhatsApps with photographs of your product which you would like me to help you with, and it's much easier for me to help you when you send me WhatsApps. And I look forward to seeing you again on this channel very soon. In the meantime, stay safe, keep your family safe. It's important.